Hi everyone, welcome to SEO Science. Today I'm going to share with you how to find the right keywords to rank #1 in Google searches. It's not impossible, but it does take work. But the following 3 tips will get you on the right path to success. Finding amazing keywords in Google Trends. Trends is a completely free tool by Google. It breaks down keywords, traffic from across the web, images and news sites. And more importantly for us, it breaks down what keywords are climbing in popularity. When we look at these keywords, you want to go after the ones that aren't quite popular yet, but are climbing. It can be hard to outrank older pages, but it's not impossible. So why not be one of the first people to blog about new terms before they are popular? So let's say the new PlayStation 6 is coming out. You could be blogging about it. You could be talking about potential games, features and updates it may have. Even if you don't know them all, just blog about your predictions. Even if you don't know anything about the PlayStation 6, you could be writing articles about your 10 predictions for the new PlayStation 6. Even if they're wrong, it doesn't matter. You're not lying to people as long as you're making educated guesses and great content. Because you're not Mystic Meg, these are just your predictions. So write about new upcoming keywords now, because you're not going to get traffic for them right away. But in time, once your page is indexed and begins ranking for keywords, 2 or 3 months or even a year, you're going to be dominating because no one else used those keywords before you did. Research your competitors. One of the best ways to get keywords relevant to your website's niche is to look at what your competitors are doing. There are lots of tools to help you conduct competitor research. One of the most popular is SEMrush. Another is Ahrefs. Go put your competitor's URL into SEMrush, and what SEMrush will show you is what keywords your competitors are getting traffic for. And this will give you ideas to what your competitors are doing. If your competitors are bigger than you, they probably know what they're doing, and they're probably going after keywords and traffic that are generating into sales and leads. So you want to study their strategy before you make your own. Once you've figured out the most popular pages and keywords, put those pages into Ahrefs. Ahrefs will show you how many links each of those pages will have. And you know what the hardest thing is? Building links. The process of building links gives your website strength. A strong website is able to rank higher in search engine results. So what you need to do is find the most popular pages that have the least amount of links, therefore lower competition. These are the pages that you should be concentrating on first and foremost, because it'll give you ideas for all the keywords that your competitors are ranking for when they don't have an abundance of backlinks. That should give you an idea of the ones you should be targeting first. Not only will they drive you a lot of traffic, but they're the least competitive because you don't have to build any backlinks. Google Search Console. This is another free tool that Google gives you that will help you rank at #1. It breaks down all of your rankings, the keywords that your pages are getting traffic for, and even the positioning as a page 1, page 2, page 3, the 6 bar on page 1. It breaks down exactly where you're ranking. The really cool part about Google Search Console is when you dive deep into each of your pages using the search analytics, it shows you all of the impressions you are getting for keywords. It's way easier to rank #1 for a keyword that you're already on the first page for versus going after a brand new keyword that you're not even in the top 100 for. And what you realize with Google Search Console is that you rank for a lot of long-tail keywords at the bottom of page 1, which you're not even trying to go after, but yet they drive traffic and convert visitors into customers. Once you have those keywords, you want to look at them, and Google Search Console shows you all of these keywords. Then go to your landing page and make sure all of these keywords are in your title tag, your meta description, your headline tag, and within the content of your page. Once you do that, you'll slowly start to increase your rankings for those pages. And there you have it. 3 tips to finding the right keywords to rank #1 on Google. Let me know in the comments section below if you're going to implement any of these 3 tips, please do. And if there's anything specifically you'd like us to cover in our next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below. SEO Science is here to help you flourish.